try-catch block. When executing Java code, different errors can occur. Coding errors made by the programmer, errors due to wrong input, or other unforeseeable things. The try statement lets you define a block of code to test for errors during execution. The catch statement lets you define a block of code to execute if an error occurs in the try block. In Java, a try-catch block is used to handle exceptions, which are unexpected errors that can occur during program execution. In this example, we have a divide method that attempts to divide two numbers. In the main method, we call the divide method with arguments 10 and 0, which will result in an arithmetic exception due to division by 0. We enclose the code that may throw an exception inside a try block. If an exception occurs during the execution of the try block, the control is transferred to the catch block. In the catch block, we handle the exception by providing an alternative action or error message. In this case, we print error division by 0. The try-catch block helps prevent the program from crashing when an unexpected situation occurs by allowing the program to gracefully handle errors and continue executing. See you again. Thank you.